I thought it's about time that I do an update video on all the items that I review. I'm talking about my first impressions items because, as you know, sometimes you get excited trying something out for the very first time, and that may cloud your judgment. It's not until you've used a product a couple of times that you get to have a real feel for the item, and sometimes your opinion changes. Which is why I'm doing this video now. I do it with my beauty subscription boxes. I do a sub box favourite and overall winner of the month, where I look at all the boxes that I've received for that particular month, and then I give you a review and my opinion, and I try out products and show you and stuff. So yeah, so again, you know, when I open up the box, I might give that box 10 out of 10, but actually after trying the products and everything, I might give that box 2 out of 10. Everyone is different, I appreciate. What I say is not going to be absolute 100% fact. We are all different, we're all at different ages, got different skin, different tastes, everything like that. So this is just all my opinion, but I just thought I would do an update on 2 particular items that I have reviewed recently because my opinions have changed. So the first product I want to talk about is the new Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. That's what it looks like. I've got the mini version here. So this cost me £10. and I got it not long after it was released. I was really excited. So you can see the one there. So it normally takes Benefit 2 years to create a mascara. It took them 4 years to create this using space technology. There was so much hype surrounding this mascara, I had to get it. For background about my own lashes, in all honesty, they are awful. They are the worst type of eyelashes that you could ever wish for. Okay, I'm being a bit dramatic, but they are really thin, really short and straight. There's only a few mascaras I've ever tried that I really like. I generally wear false eyelashes, but I'm not today. I am actually wearing this mascara. But my favourite is Too Faced Better Than Sex. And when I did the review on this, I was like, oh, you must buy it, you must buy it. It is fabulous. And I think it's better than, I'm not sure, I actually might have said it's better than Too Faced Better Than Sex. I might have done, I'm not sure. But no, after trying it, I would say it's not the first mascara I go to. My Too Faced Better Than Sex is the mascara I go to. And the reason being is a couple of things. Mainly, it's a nightmare to get off my eyelashes. It is, you know, it's a waterproof mascara, so it stays put, and, you know, it does stay put. It will not come off. And now I've tried a few different cleansers, and I do always have difficulty trying to get it off my eyelashes. Eventually I do, but it just takes a long while. And when I want to get my makeup off at night, I don't want to be faffing around, spending ages just on my lashes. I want to be able to, you know, massage the cleanser in a bit and then, you know, wipe it off, wipe it away, maybe once or twice, but not like 10 flipping wipes. Which is what I'm finding with this. Number one, it's really hard to get off neatly and quickly. Number two is the fact that it clumps like mad. Now I knew that, and I said in the video it does clump. First application, lovely, really nice. 2 or more and your eyelash is going to clump together. And I did notice a little bit of transfer on my eyelids and stuff, so it can be a bit of a messy mascara. But then, you know, I don't mind that as such because I can clean that up, and I do like a little bit of a clump because clump to me means thicker eyelashes. But it can really clump. I mean, I don't mind bits of clumps, but when you've got a big lump of clump, if that makes sense, it's not a nice look. It's not a nice look. So it is very clumpy. For those reasons, I'm still going for my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara over this. Now, what I love about it is the fact that it does really make your eyelashes stand out. It is super black, super black. It is the blackest of the blackest mascara I have ever tried, and I love it. I do love it for that. It feels quite wet on application, and it does take a while to dry down, but the first coat is really nice. So going on holiday, because it's waterproof, I'm thinking in my head now, going on holiday, going to the beach, I don't want to wear a ton of mascara, but I want my eyelashes to look black and not run. I would be using this, definitely, but only the one coat. I think Any more and it'll just be too much. But yeah, so it's a good mascara. I pay £10 because it's a mini version. I didn't want to pay the full £20 or £22 it's retail for, just in case I have a bad experience, which I normally do with mascaras. So yeah, so I am happy with it, and I would buy it again, but I'd buy the mini. Yeah, but I am sticking to my Too Faced Better Than Sex. So if you don't mind a bit of clumpiness, if you don't mind a little bit of transfer on your lids or under eyes, and if you don't mind spending a long time trying to get it off your lashes, but you love the look of really, really black, thick lashes, then this is the mascara for you. So the next item I reviewed, lots of hype surrounding it as well, is a Makeup Revolution. It's the Conceal and Define Concealer, and it's the full coverage concealer. And this cost £4. There you go, and I got it in shade C4, so it had like a bit of a pinky undertone to it. I wasn't too sure. I've never bought any actual makeup, face makeup from Makeup Revolution before, so I wasn't too sure of the colour choices. I just went for something that looks similar to what I normally buy, and it's not too far off. It's not too far. I normally go for more of a neutral tone, but it's not bad. It is quite a nice tone. I do like it. Now, when I tried it on in the video, I absolutely loved it. I thought that it was brilliant, and I compared it to Tarte Shape Tape. So a lot of you have asked me to do a comparison between these two, but since I did this video, there's a ton of videos out there comparing the two together, so I hope that this video will be okay. 10 mils in here, and it costs about £22 off the Tarte website. This costs £4, and there's 3.4 mils in here, so quite a big difference in price, but also actually in the content size as well. I love this. I thought it applied well, it blended well, and it didn't crease, didn't cake. It's perfect, and I was thinking, this is, if not better, it is definitely on par with the Shape Tape. But what I found is that one layer wasn't enough. I needed 2, maybe 3 layers. Not so much right underneath my eye. If I was doing like a tidy up, if I was doing quite a dramatic eye look and I was doing a tidy up underneath, then 1 layer of this is fine. But if I had particularly dark looking bags underneath my eyes, and I'm talking, if you look down, you can see the lines here, the darkness there, then I would need a good couple of layers to put this on. It was fine, it blended in great, but yeah, it did need that few more extra layers. Tarte Shape Tape, 1 layer and you're done. It is no messing. The Makeup Revolution is more liquidy, and I found that when I applied it, it did blend out quite well, but it took a while to actually blend in. The Tarte Shape Tape is a lot thicker, and you only need a tiny, tiny, tiny amount. So my thoughts now after trying it all, the cons are with this one is that it takes a good couple of layers to actually look like I've covered any darkness. And also, I've had this now, I don't know, how long have I had it? Maybe a month and a half? 2 months at a push? I can't remember now when I uploaded the video. I can't get any out of it. It is gone. I know is a lot, you know, there's 3.4 mils here compared to 10. I've had this nearly a year. The shelf life is 6 months. So I should have chucked it by now, but I can't. It's still working great. It's smelling all right, so I'm going to keep on going. And it feels like there's a lot still in there. It's showing no signs of finishing. This one, it showed signs of finishing about 2 or 3 weeks ago. I can just see here, actually, now that I'm looking, it is all empty. And you might not be able to see, but in there, I can sort of see through it. Now that I'm holding up to the window above me. Yeah, there's nothing in there, it's all gone. But it's only £4 and it is a lot smaller. The product is a lot smaller than this one. I've got broken capillaries on my face due to years of acne, and I've got a few little blobs that I like to cover up. Shape Tape, I put it on and whoosh, it's gone. With a beauty blender, they disappeared. When I use this, they don't. It doesn't cover them that well. So for applying on little areas of my face, I don't like doing it at all. So I am just going to stick to using it underneath my eye. It is a good concealer. It is a good concealer. There's no denying that. It's £4, you know, it is super, super cheap. But there's no way it outweighs this one. This is the holy grail of concealers. So yeah, will I buy another one? I will definitely buy another one. As I said, this is running out. I can't hardly get anything from it, so I will buy another one. But this is my go-to, this is my ultimate favourite. So out of these two products, even though I still like them, my favourite mascara is the Too Faced and my favourite concealer is the Shape Tape. So bottom line, I still like them, but not as well as what I thought. So if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more of these type of videos, then please let me know. I think it might be a good idea to do, but if it's something you don't want me to do, then I won't do it. But yeah, so if you haven't done so already, it'd be lovely if you subscribe to my channel, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.